It's Sunday morning, and we are beginning our trek into the mountain. I started feeling sick, so we went to Irish's mom's house and left the mountain early. Live the moment, Montana. This is what Montana's come down to. They want the Arizonans to invade. We just that cool. We just went swimming, and now my friend's in the shower, and I'm playing a little improvisation on this here piano right now. Look at this dress my mom gave me. Having a fancy dinner with lunch. Having a fancy lunch with some instant ramen and wine. It's blackberry. My mom made this amazing food for dinner, and then we had peaches for dessert, and I'm just so full. I will finish it maybe. And my friend's over. Spent the entire morning running errands. It's like, wow, man. We woke up a tad late because last night we were watching Dragon Ball Super. It was like late when we went to bed, and then we woke up and my friend was already here. It was like, oh my gosh, you're already here. What am I gonna do? Then we went and worked out, and then went to the store, and then made food, and then went to the store again and got money from Coinstar. Now I'm home finally. Took forever. I'm on my way to my car to drive to work, but this sweater that I'm wearing is one that my mom gave me, and I think it is so cute. I'm just so excited and happy with this sweater. It's really cold at the yogurt shop, so even though it's like 117 degrees outside right now, I'm fine. I mean, it's just a short walk outside in this sweater, so I can deal with my hot car for a little bit just so that I can, you know, be warm in the store, which is 70 degrees. So since creating the other games, I came across other fruits that I wanted to include, and so I made a word search and crossword puzzle that involve all of the new words. And I'm thinking I'm going to make another crossword and word search using all of the fruits, but here's just the new ones, which I think is really cool. I'm gonna have to put them on my computer too. So I kind of wrote lyrics to a song because while I was eating my dinner today, and I just I'm gonna put in a small excerpt of the recording. Well, I never gave up on my dreams, and I'm getting out there achieving things. It's been a while now, and you're still stuck at your parents' house. I was the first to move out. I was the first to get my own job, and the first to get my own car. And what are you doing? You're sitting there whining to me. You're saying that life is too hard. It's too much for me to expect you to also do well. You're a victim of your circumstances. So I know the singing in that is not as amazing as my singing normally is. But the thing is, it's supposed to be a rock song. I'm not used to that style, and I also... The idea of that recording isn't actually for the vlog. This is so that I can remember the sound and feel when I had written the lyrics. That way, when I go back later on, which might not be right away because it usually isn't. I have a tendency to spread writing songs out over a long period of time, which most musicians would be like, why? You could just do it. That's the thing is, I have a lot of hobbies, okay? And music is just something I just randomly get inspiration for and do occasionally. Although I'm really feeling it this week, the music. So that was just a general feel song, the general feel for the song, and later on I will work on it some more. And I'm actually kind of excited about this one because lately when I work on my Easter song, I feel like it's out of season because not only is it summer, it's monsoon, and it's not the right time. I might just only work on my Easter song during spring. So that's probably gonna be like 2 or 3 years before I actually finish that song because seasonal songs don't fit within the amount of time frame it takes for me to make a song. When your friend's Facebook page is bomb as fuck. Man, I think looking through my friend's profile today has been the highlight of my day, and that is so weird, and man. This is one of my favorite parts about living here. It's just the Mischief and Grow. Mischief is so cute. Look at Mischief. I'm just so happy because she just loves being picked up. She's purring. And I'm just like, yes. Yes. I'm like so excited.
What do you work?
Grocery shopping. Fry's is like really a super great company because they've got these paper bags that can put all of our groceries in instead of plastic. So a guy was hitting on me. A random stranger decided to message me and hit on me. Am I flirting correctly? I came into work early today because there was a shipment to work today, and I was just like, my coworker is having back issues. I'm probably gonna have to put it away, and I was right. So I solved the word search that I made the other day, and then I made a compiled list of all of the fruits since I didn't have them all nice and neat. And then I put them all in a crossword today, so pretty excited about that. Plus one of the customers complimented. Spent most of the morning watching Hermitcraft. Editing time. Laundry day, see you there. Under things, tumbling. Wanna say, love your hair. Here I go, mumbling. With my freeze ray, I will stop the pain. It's not a death ray or an ice beam, that's all Johnny Snow. I just think you need time to know that I'm the guy to make it real. The feelings you don't dare to feel, I'll bend the world to our will, and we'll make time stand still. That's the plan. Rule the world, you and me, any day. Love your hair, what? I love the air. Anyways, with my freeze ray, I will stop. It's really cold in my room, so I put on a hoodie, and it's like yeah. But it's so cold in here. I don't know why it's so cold in our room. It's like the coldest room in the entire apartment. And it's sad, because this is where I do computer stuff. I'm about to do a face mask video with the BBC Root stuff that I just got. Watching more Hermitcraft, which is so exciting. I really like this. I just finished making a to-do list, and I'm super excited to do everything on the to-do list because this is today's to-do list. So I just got done filling in AwwesomeVal's schedule for work, although it's bound to change, so I only did the first couple of weeks. And then I went in and put in celebration dates because I found a public grove that does celebrations in Phoenix. So I thought that I would start going to those. So November, we're gonna be doing that. And then there's another one in December. But like, I'm so excited, man. This is kind of neat. This channel, Homework Radio, like puts people on the screen when they sub. It's like neat. Also, great music. And I have another video up. Yeah. Go check it out. It was a lot of fun making it today. Good morning, Friday. I trimmed my hair because it's a full moon today. But yeah, I trim my hair. I trim my hair because it's full moon, and I trim my hair every full moon because it's what I do. So my bangs aren't in my eyes anymore. It's so exciting, and I got the split ends, although I'm really worried about the scissors because like, the kitchen scissors I used, I feel like they need to be sharpened more, or I need to use a different pair because they just weren't working how I needed them to. So I really hope that it didn't cause more splits or anything, but like I trimmed my hair so it doesn't look like a total mess anymore. Heading up to my friend's house right now. I parked my car a little bit down the road, but I'm basically going to spend pretty much the rest of my time today before work with my friend. Flies are so evasive because they experience time slower than we do. So what we see is this. They're seeing like slow motion and they're like, this is so easy to get away from. I don't know why they think that they can catch us. So they experience time differently than we do. So I always feel so accomplished when I manage to kill a fly. I mean, I was using a fly swatter, which definitely helps because it has to escape a larger area. But I am pleased. I am accomplished. I murdered a fly, guys. I so rarely manage to murder flies, even though I brought this in. And I'm like, yeah, my fly swatter. Yeah. Look, this little edamame pod actually came on a stick. This is great. And she is full. Breakfast date with my boyfriend.
I went the other day, I was like, oh, really? Oh, snap, this thing explodes.
My friends have been teaching me how to shoot bow and arrow. It's so exciting! Apparently we're gonna do this most Saturdays and I am so excited. So I might actually just get good at bow and arrow and that'll be cool. I want to do that. Like, it's my first time and I feel like this is awesome. I want to do this more in the future. Plus, I get to see my friends. So I did up my hair in a new hairstyle today. I'm going to include a picture because there's no way I'm going to be able to videotape that reasonably. And like, I'm just so excited. Like, I'm going to work, my eyeliner is on, and my hair is done, and I'm just like, yay! I'm beautiful. And I have a sweater so I don't get cold this time. And I don't have to run back and forth to gain heat. Me saying that on a 102-degree day. It's gonna be 107 later. Honestly, I'm so glad that it's that cool out though. Like, for summertime or in July, it's surprisingly really cold because it's usually about 10 degrees hotter than it currently is. Sometimes 20 degrees hotter, but usually a lot hotter. And I'm so glad that we're having a cool summer this summer. Like, it's a really nice thing that we're having a cool summer where it's low hundreds. Like, that's actually pretty nice for a summer here.